Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your system meets basic requirements and choosing the recorder type. This saves time later. First, check Windows 10/11 or Mac OS and install updates so drivers behave. Next, pick whether you want software only, a USB hardware recorder, or a virtual loopback device, because that choice changes configuration steps. Finally, plug your microphone, set it as the default input in sound settings, and run a quick level test so you avoid distorted recordings once you record. Once done installing, launch the recorder and grant microphone and file permissions so the app can capture and save sound. Set the sample rate to 44, 1 kHz for music or 48 kHz for video work, and choose 16-bit for small files or 24-bit for higher fidelity. Then select your mic as the input, enable monitoring if you need real-time feedback, and tweak buffer size to balance latency versus stability. Smaller buffers reduce delay, but may cause dropouts if CPU is taxed. You're ready to record. Hit record and capture a short 10 to 30-second clip. Then listen for hiss, clipping, or unexpected echoes so you can fix issues before a big take. After recording, save as WAV for maximum quality or export to MP3 for compact sharing, and use clear file names and folders to stay organized. If problems occur, check drivers and permissions, match sample rates across apps, close background audio apps, and reboot the device. That single step often resolves mysterious audio faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.